have my headset on. Oh no! It's a hurricane, people! Oh no, oof! Oi! I don't feel well. Oh no! Oh! Help me! It's a hurricane! How can we? Josh, can we go back inside? Surely it can. No, it's stuck. No, it's the wind is pushing it back. No, there's only one way. I'm too scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm not doing it. Seems too risky. Oh no, no, no! Not the, the fence hate me! Neighbor!
Look at the screens. Look screen. Look at mine.
Yeah. Ah! Ow, my knee! The hurricane hurt my knee! Oh! My headset! But yeah! Ah! Yay, we got freedom! Ah! Ah! Help me! Please say stop hurricane 2 times. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, the hurricane's gone because of the viewers. Thank you, viewers, for stopping the hurricane. It's oh! Ow, that hurt.
Oh, not again.
Oh no. Yeah. I think I'm gonna pass out. The hurricane is too crazy. I might pass out. No, not the spinning thing again. No, it's gonna spin. It's gonna spin. Guys, it's gonna spin again. I'm gonna spin. No way. No, not again. Ow. Oh. The gate unlocked! But I locked the door! I locked it! We're stuck outside! Your grandma locked it, I mean. We're stuck, Josh. One year later, the hurricane is still here. We've been stuck in here for like a year. The rocks were very bad. Even one had poo in them. Oh, this might be our last video we're ever gonna make, guys. It's a hurricane. I'm not sure what to do. You're not sure what to do. It's a hurricane. A big bad hurricane.
See that sound? That's the hurricane.
And we're with Wacky Crunchy and his viewers. Wacky Crunchy is with Wookie Ducky, aka us. Yeah, shout out to Wacky Crunchy and Quacks. Yeah, simply just Cuba. Okay. We have no idea what to do. Our only way is the fence and this, that one, and that one. We can't escape to that one because Josh is not really a parkour person. He's tall. He couldn't. I'm kind of parkour person. I tried. I couldn't because I was short.